And here is the Galaxy 2150 once again. This is going to be the after cleaning video. I think the fan turned out pretty good. There's only so far you can go as far as shining up these old Galaxy fans because they didn't do a very good job on the plating, on the guards. You can see oxidation forming there, which is very typical on these. And the badges, the chrome paint or whatever it is starts to erode over time. The stickers hold up pretty good. And then, of course, the labels also start to blemish, deteriorate over time. Very typical, but fan is still in great shape. I managed to get, I think, all of that, whatever that adhesive globs were that were all over the motor housing, and there was some of that on the blade too, and as well as some paint splatter, which was being covered up by the dust. Initially, I didn't see it when I first got the fan, and I think somebody must have tried to clean it once because I don't know how well you could see, but the blades are kind of hazy. Looks like somebody took like some light Scotch-Brite or something to the blades. It's not really noticeable unless you're looking for it, but I think the fan turned out pretty good, and the buttons work. Let's take the velocity reading. We were getting around 1,100 feet per minute initially before cleaning. Creeping up on 1,200. Not quite there. Seems like it did increase though by about maybe 50 feet per minute or so, which isn't necessarily a lot, but it's better. It's an improvement. Again. Fan runs really smooth. The blade's a little bit out of balance, but not really noticeable at all. The plastic in the base did have a little bit of a rattle. I had to put one of those little magic slider foam things under there because it's missing one of the feet. So the base was a little off balance and the plastic would start to vibrate a little bit, but it's not doing that now. Go low. Nice quiet low speed. Still runs pretty fast though, and it's moving a lot of air. Yeah, that's pretty strong low speed. Up around 800, high 700s feet per minute velocity. Fan sounds totally different from the rounded blades, like what you typically hear on the Blue Blade Galaxy fans with the more rounded shaped blades. Those usually make like a cartoon spaceship kind of whirring sound. I'd try to do an impression, but it'd probably be terrible. Alright, here's our spin down. Not too bad. Alright, well there it is, the Galaxy 2150. I think it's probably from the early 80s sometime. But until next time, thank you for watching.